So obviously you already have experience with Gaelic, so you all know some of these words. Maybe the majority of them. The first one is aher, father. And then there's maher, mother, maher. And then there's pure, so pure, sister. And then there's braher, brother. And then shenar, grandfather. Shenever, grandmother, old mother. Clown means children. Leonard means baby. Leonard. Pasture just means young child. Pasture. Mark, son, mich, sons. No, you would know that one probably. Right, Balach. Balach just means boy. Balach is plural. Boys. Balach, Balich. Gile. Gile just means lads, but you would know this word anyway, because we have a gile is somebody who looks after cattle on an estate usually. That it just means lads basically in Gaelic, and gilen is plural, so lads. Quite often it's also used as son. You know, so people say I'm Gileacum, so my son, my lad. Okay, Nian. Nian is a girl, a daughter. So plural is Nianan. So a girl is a daughter is Nianan. Right, Kalak. And plural is Kalakan. So that just means lassie. Kalak, lassies, Kalakan. Don't mix up with Kalach, because that means old woman. Quite the opposite thing. Kalak, Kalakan. Parentan. Okay, we're on to sentences now. I will pure no braher aket. I will pure no braher aket. Do you have a brother or sister? This one is an informal one. As you probably know, Gaelic has two registers, kind of formal and polite, or informal. So I will pure no braher aket, that's informal. Okay. So if it was formal, it will be Evel pure no braher akev. Okay. The response, ha braher agam. I have a brother. Ha braher agam. Okay. The possible response, Hanel pure agam. Or Hanel braher agam. Ha pure agam. Hanel braher agam. Okay. Jenish, do vraher or do fewer. We're using informal everywhere here. If it was formal, it will be Jenish, ur braher, ur fewer. But if we're using door, we need to say door vragen or door fewer. Genus, de vragen. Genus, door fewer. Okay, response. Jake Blianagish. So he is 10 years old. Jake Blianagish. She is 10 years old. That's just an example, obviously. So you can, instead of Jake, you can put anything. Jake Blianagish. Jake Blianagish. So the age will go in there, the number. Okay.